How to disable WhatsApp link devices and secure your WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to secure your WhatsApp account and remove link devices. Without further ado, let's begin. Open WhatsApp, sign in to your account. Tap three dots at top right and choose link devices from this section. Find the device you want to unlink, tap on it and select logout. This will help you to disconnect the other devices or suspicious devices from your WhatsApp. After that, you need to open WhatsApp, tap three dots at top right again and choose settings option. Scroll down and navigate to privacy option. Now here you need to tap on app lock and enable unlock with biometrics and confirm your biometrics. Now you need to use your fingerprint to unlock WhatsApp. After you have done that, you need to go back and then choose account. Here tap on two-step verification and then you need to enable two-step verification, setting a 6-digit PIN and confirming it. And by following this step, you will successfully remove the linked devices and secure your WhatsApp account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.